Rows of finished Korean seafood products move through the factory at incredible speed. Thousands of sealed packs slide under bright white lights while cold steam drifts across stainless steel machines. Every tray looks identical. Every portion is measured exactly the same. But only a few hours earlier, all of this started as raw seafood arriving from the coast before sunrise. Inside this Korean seafood factory, the process never stops. Trucks arrive one after another. Workers move quickly through cold rooms filled with water, ice, steel, and the smell of the sea. The entire system is built around timing. Freshness matters here more than anything. Before the seafood can become the perfectly packed products seen in Korean supermarkets, every piece must pass through a long chain of cleaning, sorting, cutting, cooking, freezing, and sealing. And the scale becomes larger with every step deeper inside the factory.
The first major step is sorting. Every type of seafood moves through a different path depending on size, texture, and condition.
The first major step is sorting. Every type of seafood moves through a different path depending on size, texture, and condition. Some products will become frozen seafood packs. Others will be seasoned, dried, steamed, or shaped into snacks sold across Korea. Workers stand beside moving conveyor belts for hours, checking color, surface quality, and freshness. Machines help speed up the process, but much of the inspection is still done by hand. Water constantly moves through the factory. The floors stay wet. Steel tables reflect the overhead lights. The temperature remains cold to slow bacterial growth and protect the seafood before processing begins. Once the sorting is complete, the seafood enters the cleaning systems where powerful rotating drums, spray tunnels, and trimming stations prepare everything for transformation.
Now the factory begins changing raw seafood into recognizable food products. Large industrial cutters
Now the factory begins changing raw seafood into recognizable food products. Large industrial cutters slice squid into exact shapes and sizes within seconds. Some seafood is ground into smooth paste for Korean seafood snacks and fish cakes. Huge mixing tanks combine seafood with starch, seasoning, garlic, chili powder, salt, and oil. Inside the machines, the mixture folds over itself again and again until the texture becomes smooth and elastic. Every recipe is controlled carefully. Even small changes in temperature or moisture can affect the final texture after cooking. Workers constantly monitor the mixture while conveyor belts carry processed seafood deeper into the production line where shaping and forming machines wait. The next stage changes texture completely. Heat fills the factory as the seafood products enter giant steaming systems and cooking tunnels. Some products are boiled slowly while others are flash cooked in seconds to lock in moisture. Thick steam rises from long stainless steel chambers. Workers move carefully through the heat while monitoring temperatures and cooking times. The seafood begins to firm up. Colors change. Surfaces become glossy and smooth. This is where the factory starts turning soft raw material into the final textures customers recognize inside Korean seafood snacks and packaged side dishes. After cooking, the factory moves into high-speed mass production. Conveyor belts fill entire rooms. Thousands of seafood products travel in perfect rows through automated systems designed for non-stop operation. Some products are dried with controlled heat and airflow. Others are rapidly frozen to preserve texture and freshness. Every second matters. Timing controls moisture, firmness, and shelf life. Workers constantly inspect the products while sensors and cameras scan for defects. The factory now feels less like a kitchen and more like a machine built entirely around rhythm and precision.
The products begin to look exactly like the seafood snacks and packaged foods sold across Korea. Some seafood is sliced into thin strips.
Now the products begin to look exactly like the seafood snacks and packaged foods sold across Korea. Some seafood is sliced into thin strips. Others are folded, layered, coated with seasoning, or pressed into exact shapes. Oil gives the surface a glossy shine. Red pepper seasoning adds color. The textures become more defined with every step. This stage is highly controlled because appearance matters almost as much as taste. Customers expect every pack to look clean, uniform, and fresh. By now, the seafood has traveled through dozens of machines and hundreds of hands before reaching the finishing line.
Packaging is one of the fastest parts of the factory. Finished seafood products move into automatic weighing systems.
Packaging is one of the fastest parts of the factory. Finished seafood products move into automatic weighing systems that portion every pack with incredible precision. Plastic film seals tightly around each tray to protect freshness during shipping. Labels are added automatically at high speed. Cameras scan every package for mistakes before robotic systems stack finished products into boxes. The movement never slows down. Thousands of finished seafood packs leave the line every hour. Inside the factory, almost every sound now comes from machines sealing, sorting, stacking, and transporting products toward refrigerated storage.
Every room inside the factory is designed around speed, cleanliness, and precision. Water.
By the end of the process, the raw seafood that arrived before sunrise has completely transformed. The factory has washed it, cut it, mixed it, cooked it, seasoned it, frozen it, and sealed it into thousands of finished products ready for stores across Korea. Every room inside the factory is designed around speed, cleanliness, and precision. Water, steam, cold air, stainless steel, conveyor belts, and human coordination all work together without stopping. Most customers will only see the final package for a few seconds inside a supermarket refrigerator. But behind every sealed seafood product is an enormous industrial system running every minute of the day.